This is right out a bedroom window from my house. You can see the bird's nest there. There's 3 baby birds in there. They got their mouths closed right now, one of them standing up. Looked like a robin just came back, the mother. I don't know that she fed them much of anything. It looks like they're pretty hungry. Oh, there's another one. There's 4 of them, I think. See them moving? Right outside my window. I just noticed it today. I don't know how long they've been there. It's August 3rd. I thought that robins had birds earlier in the year. But we've had a lot of rain in July, and it's been cooler, so I don't know. Maybe the weather mixed them up too. Saw them with their mouths all wide open. They're looking pretty hungry. There's the one flapped its wings. The one looking right at us. This is out in my front yard. I think it's pretty quiet around here, so they don't. Must be a safe place for them. Not have much going on. That's about it for now. We'll check in with them again later, see if I can get something else. Waiting for the mom to come back with some food. Alright, we'll talk soon.